If your forearms still look skinny, even though you train them, even though you grip heavy weights, even though you do pull-ups, rows, curls, all of it, then you're probably making one big mistake. You're training your forearms accidentally, not intentionally. But today, that changes. Because in this video, you're going to learn the 5 best exercises that force your forearms to grow fast, evenly, and visibly. These exercises work even if you're a beginner, even if you don't have a lot of equipment, and even if your forearms have never grown before. So, if you want thicker forearms, stronger grip, and veins that actually pop, stay right where you are. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact exercises to grow your forearms fast, the correct order to perform them, the perfect reps and sets for maximum growth, and the common mistakes most people make that kill forearm gains. If you follow this routine consistently, you will see visible changes in 2 to 4 weeks and serious growth within 8 to 12 weeks. All right, let's build those forearms. This is the king of forearm flexor exercises. When your palms face up, you're targeting the flexor muscles, the muscles responsible for closing your hand and bending your wrist. These create the thick, rounded look on the front of your forearm. How to do it? Sit on a bench, rest your forearms on your thighs. Keep your wrists hanging beyond your knees. Hold a pair of dumbbells or a barbell. Curl your wrist upward as high as possible. Lower slowly, 3 seconds down. Why it works? This exercise keeps constant tension exactly where your forearms grow the fastest. Sets and reps. 4 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Minimal rest, 45 seconds. Focus on slow lowering. The eccentric creates 70% of the growth here. If you want vascularity, strong wrist stability, and forearms that look good from the top angle, you need to work the extensor muscles, the muscles on the back side of your forearm. Most people skip these. That's why their forearms look flat. How to do it? Grip a light dumbbell or barbell. Rest your forearms on your thighs. Palms face down. Lift your knuckles toward the ceiling. Lower slowly. This exercise requires lighter weight than palms up wrist curls. Don't ego lift. The extensors fatigue fast. Sets and reps. 3 sets, 15 to 20 reps. Think about leading with your knuckles rather than just bending your wrist. Walks build raw grip strength, thick forearms, and crazy endurance. This is one of the few exercises that trains your forearms the way they're supposed to function, holding and carrying. How to do it? Pick the heaviest dumbbells you can handle. Stand tall. Engage your core. Walk slowly, controlled. Squeeze the dumbbells as hard as possible. Why it works? Farmer's walks recruit every muscle in your forearms, flexors, extensors, brachioradialis, grip muscles, all at once. Set to duration? 3 to 4 rounds, 30 to 45 seconds per walk. Squeeze the handles like you're trying to leave fingerprints on the metal. Yes, hammer curls are technically a biceps exercise, but they build one of the most important forearm muscles, the brachioradialis. This muscle is responsible for the outer forearm thickness, the part you see when your arm hangs naturally. If you want forearms that look big even when relaxed, this exercise is essential. How to do it? Hold dumbbells with a neutral grip. Curl up while keeping elbows locked to your sides. Don't swing. Lower with full control. Sets and reps, 3 to 4 sets, 10 to 12 reps. Keep your palms facing each other the entire time. Never rotate. This is one of the most underrated forearm exercises ever. Why it's so effective? When you hold a towel instead of a bar, your hand can't rely on friction. Your forearms must work 10 times harder to hold onto it. Combine that with shrugs, and suddenly you have a brutal forearm hypertrophy exercise. How to do it? Loop 2 towels around a pull-up bar or a loaded barbell. Hold the towels tightly. Perform shrugs like normal. Don't rush. Slow reps. What it trains? Grip strength, flexors, extensors, stabilizers, brachioradialis. Sets and reps. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Imagine you're crushing the towel with your hands. Ultimate forearm training formula. If you want the best results, follow this order. 1. Mass builder, wrist curls. 2. Definition builder, reverse wrist curls. 3. Thickness builder, hammer curls. 4. Functional strength, farmer's walk. 5. Grip enhancer, towel grip shrugs. Weekly frequency, 2 to 3 times per week. At least 1 day of rest between sessions. Total workout time, about 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. This routine works because it hits every part of your forearms with the right intensity, volume, and frequency. Now let's talk about the mistakes that stop most people from growing their forearms, because if you avoid these, your result will explode. Mistake 1. Only doing indirect exercises. People think that pull-ups, deadlifts, curls, rows, all of these are enough. They're not. Your grip usually gives out before your forearms get true hypertrophy. If you want growth, you must train forearms directly. Mistake 2. Using too much weight. Forearms respond best to controlled reps, slow eccentrics, and high volume. If you're throwing the weight around, you're not training forearms, you're training your ego. Light to moderate weight, greater than perfect form, greater than consistent control. Mistake 3. Skipping forearm extensors. Most people only train the palms up wrist curl, but if you skip extensors, palms down, your development becomes uneven. That means forearm imbalances, weak grip, flat topside, higher injury risk. Train both sides. Mistake 4. Training forearms at the end when you're exhausted. Forearms should not be an afterthought. Do them when you still have energy, or at least on a day when you're not doing heavy pulling. Forearms need intensity and focus. Mistake 5. Not training them frequently enough. Unlike chest, legs, or back, forearms recover fast. You use them constantly, typing, gripping things, so they can handle more frequency than most muscle groups. Train them 2 to 3 times a week. High reps, short rest, slow reps. This creates the perfect growth environment. Look, forearm size isn't genetic destiny. It's about consistent, targeted training. If you follow these 5 exercises, use slow reps, push high volume, and avoid the mistakes we talked about, your forearms will grow, thicker, stronger, and more defined than you've ever had. And the best part? They grow fast. Start this routine today and take a picture. Then take another in 4 weeks and compare. You'll shock yourself. If you want more routines like this or a full arm workout breakdown, just comment forearms and I'll drop it for you. Until then, train hard, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.